Hey, Scott Smith, Brunswick County Homes Real Estate. How are y'all doing today? Just wanted to reach out to you. I'm at 2580 Ash Little River Road. It's a 2016 home on over 29 acres out here in Ash. There's your home built in 2016. If you look behind that, you will see a pool that's completely covered with a lanai, extra storage. You have a she shed here and a bunker house, and right in there you have a fish cleaning station and also a hunting station. So I mean, this lot goes all the way back. Total 29 acres. Here's the front of the property. It's right off of Ash Little River Road. Great opportunity if you want to get out of an HOA and live a more private life. Maybe you want to possibly have some horses. I mean, even develop it here. Maybe build a little community. You know, whatever is going to work for you. But it's definitely worth coming out and taking a look at it. I'm here regardless. I do have a broker open house here today. Do have Chick-fil-A and wine and everything else. So if you get a chance, come out and see. Look forward to seeing you, and call me